In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your availability in Calendly. 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update your default schedule, adjust specific dates, and fine-tune availability for individual event types. Start by heading to calendly.com and click Log In. Enter your email address, continue, then enter your password and continue again. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Calendly homepage. From here, open the availability section. This is where you control when people can book time with you. You'll see two helpful ways to manage your schedule: a calendar view and a list view. In the calendar view, click directly on a date box to work on that specific day. Choose Edit Date to open the date picker, select the date you want, then use the plus icon to add one or more time blocks for that day, like 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock and 2 o'clock to 4:30. When you're happy, click Apply. This is great for one-off changes, holidays, or partial days. If you prefer a weekly pattern, switch to the list view. Here you can set your default hours for each weekday. Use the plus icon to add a time range or the X to remove one. If your availability changes on certain dates, choose date-specific hours. Pick the day you want to adjust, set the exact times for that date, and click Apply. This lets you keep a solid weekly baseline while making exceptions when needed. You can also adjust availability directly at the event level. Go to Event Types, select the event you want to manage, then open its Availability tab. Click the pencil icon to edit. Use the plus icon to add the time ranges you want this event to allow, then apply those hours to the selected event types. Finally, save your changes. This method is perfect when different meetings need different windows, for example, offering longer slots on afternoons only for certain event types. As you work, keep an eye on what you're editing: default schedule, date-specific hours, or event-specific availability. Use Apply to lock in each change and save when you're done with an event. With these tools, you can maintain a clean default schedule, make precise exceptions on specific dates, and tailor availability for individual events. That's all you need to confidently control when people can book with you in Calendly.